Creating a vision board using Canva is easy and enjoyable. Here's a straightforward step-by-step guide. First of all, you need to consider what you want to accomplish in various aspects of your life. In career, example, promotions, new skills, job opportunities, and in health, weight loss, fitness targets, in relationships, building connections, self-love, and in hobbies and creativity, content creation, gaming, art, and many more. You can find those inspiration on Pinterest, so go to pinterest.com and look for the images that align with your goals. Use the search terms like fitness motivation, dream office, self-love codes, or study goals aesthetic. Now you can right-click on the image and copy it. Then open Canva, go to canva.com and log into your account. Click on Create a Design in the top right corner. For creating a vision board, you can use the ratio of YouTube thumbnail. Now simply hit Ctrl+V on your keyboard and paste the image in this field. Again, go back to Pinterest. Select another picture you want to add in your vision board. Resize it. Place it wherever you like. And likewise, add all the images that you want to add in your vision board. Once I've added all the pictures you want for your vision board, you can right-click on each picture and resize it and layer it forward, backward, back or front. You can enhance your vision board with the fun elements of Canva like stickers, shapes, or borders to make it really yours. Stick to a consistent color palette for a unified look, and then save and display your vision board. Click on the share button in the top right corner, and then click on download. Download as PNG. Click on download, that is highlighted in purple color, and you'll be done. Now you can use it as your phone wallpaper, print it out, or pin it in a visible location. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.